As you can see, wonderful artist, I'm in the middle of finishing up the painting on my beautiful bird, and I've incorporated cool colors on the wings. You can see I'm painting in this beautiful green color, being careful of all of my swirl designs. And then I'm moving on to the other parts of my wing. I'm also using that technique of blending colors. So I'm going to finish up putting warm colors on the body. I'm going to adjust my painting so I'm able to paint my other wing. And as I'm painting, I'm using a bit of blue and violet, and I'm blending those together for each of the areas of the feathers on the bird. And the tail wing is quite interesting because I've used a chevron pattern. And that chevron pattern, I'm using every other color I'm painting that. So I'm going to finish up that blue. And as I do that, I'm thinking about how I can emphasize the edges of my bird by tracing it in black. I've already started that, so I'm going to move a bit of paper towel underneath here. You'll be using a placemat. And I'm going to add that black along the edge. And after I have that finished, I'm going to further emphasize my bird by cutting it out and getting rid of that extra white paper. And if you notice, as I'm cutting, I'm making sure that I cut a bit of the black and all of the white is removed. I'm just going to touch up those areas that I've missed a bit of white. I'll take my time to do that. Enjoy cutting out your bird. So as you can see, I have my bird cut out and it's ready to fly, but I need a sky for it to fly in. So I'm going to be selecting these fan brushes to paint with. And fan brushes are very unique because the bristles are separated in the shape of a fan, and they're used primarily with dry brush to create a pattern on your paper. And so these are a perfect fit for making wind on my paper. I'm going to use all three sizes. You will take one fan brush at a time, and then when you're done with it, wash it out and trade for a new brush. I'm going to create what's called an all-over pattern of wind on my entire paper. I'm hoping you're noticing that for each time that I'm using the brush, I'm wiping off all the excess water. That makes it dry brush. I'm also dipping the tip of the brush, making sure that I have put paint on every part of the tip.